Hello student, good morning. How are you? Student, today I am going to make you understand the 52 cards in a deck. Deck of card. Deck of card. Playing card. Students, you know what is playing card? Deck of cards. There are 52 cards and out of 52 cards, 26 red and 26 black. 26 plus 26 52. Now 26 red and 26 black. Now in 26 red, 13 diamond and 13 hearts, and this 26 black card, "13 clubs and 13 spade." Then 13, 13, 26, 26, 13, 39, 39 and plus 13, 52. Okay. Now student, you see in 13 diamond, 4 3 face card and 1 ace and 9 digit card. In this also 3 face cards, 1 ace and 9 digit card. In this also 3 face card, 1 ace and 9 digit card. In this also 3 face card and 1 ace cards and 9 digit cards. Okay. Now you see this is student. Now I am going to show you face card. This is a face card of diamond. Face card of diamond. This is diamond face card. This is diamond face card, king, queen, and jack. Jack means joker. And student, this is one ace card. This is ace card. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 face card, 1 ace card. That is 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3 face card, 1 ace card, 4. Now student, 9 digit card. Now you see digit card. Digit card start from 2. Digit card start from 2. Digit card start from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The cards where digit written 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are called digit card. On ace card, no digit written, only A is there. So this is ace card. Diamonds का A का. Diamonds का A का. So in each group of red and black, 3, 3 face, 1, 1 ace and 9, 9 digit. Okay student. So total 13 cards is here. Now we see the hearts ace card. Hearts ace card and hearts king, hearts queen and hearts जैक कार्ड. ये रेड के हार्ट्स में 3 फेस कार्ड, किंग, क्वीन, जैक and this is 1 ace card. So this is 3 face card, 1 ace card, 9 digit card. You see 9 digit card, 1, 2, you can see 1 by 1, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 9 hearts digit card. Okay. Now in red 13 diamonds, 13 hearts. In diamond 3 face card, 1 ace. In hearts also 3 face and 1 ace card. Okay. Now you see the black part. The black part, you see 13 club. 13 club, 3 face card, 1 ace card, 9 digit card. So 1 ace card of club and king of club, queen of club and jack of club. So 3 face card, A, 1, 2, 3. Face card is that card where face is there. So 3 face, 1 ace is there and 9 digit card. You see 9 digit card start from 2, that is 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in club 3 face card, 1 ace card, 9 digit card, 13. You see this is spade. In spade out of 13, 3 face card, 1 ace card, 9 digit card. You see that is king and queen and jack, joker, 1 ace card. This is face card of spade, 1, 2, 3 and 1 ace card. Okay. Now digit card, of spade, digit card of spade, eight, 9, 10. 9-digit card. Okay. So, student, out of 52 cards, 26 red, 26 black, 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, 13 clubs, 13 spade. Out of 13 diamonds, 3 face card, 1 ace card, 9-digit card. Out of 13 heart, 3 face card, 1 ace card, 9-digit card. Out of 13 clubs, 3 face card, 1 ace card, 9-digit card. Out of 13 spade, 3 face card, 1 ace card, 9-digit card. I hope you have understood the types of the cards out of 52, and suppose that the question is there, you have to find the probability of the only red card out of 52. You have to find the probability of only red card out of 52. So first you have to understand how many red cards there. 26 red cards there. So probability of red card only 26 upon 52. That is 1 by 2. Okay. Now you have to find out only the probability of black card. So black card out of 52 is 26. So the probability of black card is 26 upon 52, 1 by 2. Okay. Now you have to find out the probability of 13 diamond. 13, you have to find out the probability of diamond card. You have to find out the probability of diamond card. So student, you know that diamond is then in the red card. That is, the probability of diamond card is how much? 13. So this is 13 upon 52. 1 upon 4. That is a what? This is a favorable outcome. This is the possible outcome. This is a favorable outcome. This is a possible outcome. Now you have to find out the probability of the heart. The heart is there in red card. So probability of heart is there 13 by 52 also 1 upon 4. Suppose that you have to find out the probability of club card. So probability of club card, how much club? 13. That is 13 upon 52, 1 upon 4. Now we have to find out probability of spade card. Spades card. Then that is how many spades? 13. That is 1 upon 4. Student, suppose that you have to find out the probability of the face card of diamond. Probability of face cards of diamond. Okay. So face cards of diamond how much? Face card of diamond 3. That is 3 upon 52. What will be there? You can divide it. The face card of only diamond 3 upon 52. 3 upon 52. You have to find out the probability of the face card of heart. Then the same will be there. You have to find the probability of the face card of club. That is a 3 upon 52. Suppose that you have to find out the probability of the face card of spade. The same thing is there. Okay. Suppose that you have to find out only the face card of out of 52. Only the face card of the out of 52 card. So total face card out of 52 is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many face cards are there? 12. How many face cards total? Total face cards are there out of 52, 12. So you can divide it by what? 3. 4. 4 3 is 3 upon 13. Suppose that you have to find out only the ace card out of 52. So ace card is there total 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many total ace cards there out of 52 cards, students? That is 4. How many? 4. 4 ace cards there. 4 upon 52. That is 1 upon 13. Okay. Suppose that you have to find out that probability of digit card. Probability of digits cards. Digit card. How many digits are there total? How many digits are there total? 9 diamond, 9 hearts, 9 club, 9 spade. Total digit cards is there 36. So probability of digit card 36 upon 52. You can divide. Okay. This is the probability of only digit cards out of 52. Now separately you can find out if questions asked. So according to the criteria of the question you can give the answer. Okay. Now I am going to classify that total cards 52, total face cards 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 12, total face card 12, total ace card 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 4, total digits cards 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 36. So total cards you see 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 52, and carries what? 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 12, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 का 2 carries 1, 3 and 1 4, 4 1 and 5. The total card is there 52. So how many questions would be there and what criteria of the questions would be there, you can give the answer on the basis of playing cards in the chapter probability easily, very easily. Okay students, thank you very much.